Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, after setting up the header and the footer, we are going to set up the body. So first of all, we have a slider at the top here. This is our hero section. So how we have created it, this is a simple step. Like you have to go to the content and the block. After mm, clicking on the block, you will land on this page. Here we have created the home slider. Okay, when you edit it, you will see that let that okay. So when you click on it, we have just created a row section here, you can see, and inside it we have created a one column, and inside the one column we have just drag and drop here the slider. Okay, after drag and drop the slider, we just uploaded the image here. You can see we have uploaded one image and we have put some content here. Like in our design, you can see here is a shop now button, and this is some content. Okay, so we have added this content here, and the Magento already provide the button text, and here is some setting of the button. If you will go through this, you will get all the informations. Okay, so we have written here the shop now button and put the content here, and here I have added the images. After that, I have created here is the button. If you will click, it will duplicate the slider. So I have created one more slider here. In the same way, I have uploaded one image and the content as well here. So after creating this static block, we call this block in our home.html file. Here you can see this is the intro section, and inside it we have called this static block in the same way as we have called it in the footer section. So it is the echo this get layout create block. Here is the block class, you have to pass it, and the set block id, this is the home slider, and this is our identifier here. It is the unique identifier, so we always call the identifier here and the to HTML. When we called it after clear the cache, when we go to the front end, you will see the slider here. So after updating the CSS provided by the designer, it will look the same as it is featuring here. And in the same way, we have created these block as well, and these static block as well, and these products uh, as well in the admin, and just calling them here in this file. Here you can see we have called here the home customer care page, home to static blocks, and all. So this is the tabbing code of the Magento. You can get it. Okay, I will create a new video for this, so I can show you it step by step. So thank you very much guys. After creating the CSS, our home page is ready. So thank you very much guys for watching this video and giving your precious time. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.